Hello children, I am here with some important information regarding your Term 1 exam timings as well as filling of OMR sheet. Some students still have some doubts in filling the answers properly in the OMR sheet. So please listen the video till the last. So first I will tell about the timings you can see here. So you should be present in the examination center at 9:45. So, for example, some of you may have your own school as your exam center. So, whatever it may be, you are asked to present in your exam center at 9:45, and at 10:30 you will be allowed to enter into your exam hall. So, at 10:30 you will enter the exam hall, and the maximum time for entering the exam hall is 10:45. That means after 10:45 you won't be allowed to enter into the exam center itself. So listen carefully. So you should be enter the exam center before 10:45. After 10:45 the gates will be closed. That means you won't be allowed to enter into the exam center. So please make a note of it. And at 10:45 you will enter the exam room, that is exam hall, and at 10:45 your admit cards and the things will be checked by the assistant superintendents. Okay, so they will ensure that all the candidates, all the students are sitting in the proper place and as well as carrying their admit cards. So this will be done till 11 o'clock. So at 11 o'clock the question paper bundle will be open, the question paper packet will be open, and it will be distributed to the student. So by 11:10 every student would have received their question paper. So one important thing, so there is a good time of reading given. 20 minutes time is given for reading the question paper. So from 11:10 to 11:30 you can read the question paper so that you can plan, so how will you finish it within time. So at 11:30 only you will start writing, you will start filling the OMR sheet. So you will enter by 10:30 or 10:45 at least, and at 11:30 only you will start writing. So from 11:30 you will write for 90 minutes, that is up to 1 o'clock. So at 1 o'clock, so sharply at 1 o'clock your OMR sheets will be collected by the superintendent, assistant superintendents. So that is your exam ends by 1 o'clock. Okay, so now let us look at the OMR sheet. So exam timing is clear. So see the OMR sheet. Before that, so let's have a look. So what should the students, candidates carry? So first, as you know, admit card. In the admit card, the student signature should be there, their parent signature, and their school principal signature. These three signatures must be there. And then they should carry some blue or black ballpoint pen. So pencil is not allowed and ink pen also not allowed, only ballpoint pen, either black or blue. So you may have two numbers, so that if one is not working, so you may use the other. And face mask is compulsory, so you know the situation, so please wear the mask. And you are also recommended to carry hand sanitizers, at least small bottles sanitizer, and hand gloves is also recommended. And if you want you can carry drinking water also, but it should be carried in transparent water bottles. Okay, so this is what candidates can carry, so other things are not allowed. And now this is the OMR sheet. OMR sheet can be divided into three parts. So this is the top part. So in the top part, so the one good thing is, so all the fields here, the personal details will be already filled. That means you need not fill this. Only thing you have to fill is this question paper code. Here it is given, this box. So in every question there will be a code. So you just have to copy this. So you can see here in the top part, fill only the question paper code. So all other fields are pre-filled, that is already filled. So it's very easy for you. So filling the OMR sheet. Okay, so this is the top part. Now in the middle part only you will write the answer. That is, you will shade as well as write the answer. So you have to look very carefully. So here also there are three parts. So first question number and then response, A or B or C or D, which one is correct you will shade. And after that a rectangular box is there. This box is the most important thing because whatever you write in this box will be considered as the final answer. So some students are thinking that this box will be filled only when you are shading more than one option or when any problem occurs. It is not like that. This box should be filled, must be filled for every question attended. So you are attending one question means whether you shade or not, but you should fill the correct option in this box. Okay, it is compulsory for all question. And at last there is another one circle. That circle should be shaded only for unattended question. So there will be total of 60 question. So you won't attend all the 16. Some subject you may attend 50 question. Some subject like math you may be asked to attend only 40 question. So all the remaining question will be unattended. You will leave. So those question you will shade this. You will shade the last circle. For example, you are not attending the 17th question means you will shade the 17 number circle here. Okay. So I hope you understood this. So totally there will be 60 questions. So out of that you should fill it according to the question number given in the question. Some question may carry a total of 50 only. In such cases 51 to 60 option can be neglected. Don't worry about that. Just follow what number is given in the question paper. So some examples are given that. Let us look at the last part of the answer sheet of the OMR sheet. So here in the last part there is a statement given. I confirm that all particulars given above are correct. So all students should write the same statement with their own hand. They should write it with the pen with their own hand and then they will give the signature. Here candidate's signature in running hand. So here they will give their signature. Okay. So this is how you will fill the OMR sheet. So now some case explanations are given. So see here this one. So first for the 16th question, so you are thinking that option A is the correct answer. So what will you do? You will first shade the option A and at the same time you will also write it in the rectangular box. If you shade but if you fail to write in the rectangular box, mean that question will be considered unattempted. That is, you won't get mark. Okay. So and in case here, see here, first you thought that option B is correct and you have shaded it, but finally you come into conclusion that option A is correct. So in that case, what will you do? So in the rectangular box you will write A. Okay. So the shaded thing will not be considered. Only what you have written in the rectangular box, that will be considered as the final answer. So you will be given mark if option A is correct. If option B is correct, then you will not be given mark. Then one more doubt. Some students, they used to write small letter A and small letter D quite in the similar manner. So teacher may not understand. So in that case, you may also write in capital letter. Capital letter is also accepted. So you may write in capital A or capital B or C or D. Small letter is also accepted. Capital letter is also accepted. Then some other cases. Yeah. So see here. In case you are not attending a question. See here. So question number 17 you are not attending. You are leaving that. So in that case, the last circle of question number 17, this circle will be shaded. So that when the teacher evaluate your paper, they will understand that you are unattempting that question. You have left that question. Then one more thing. So sometimes you are doing it with pen. Okay. So sometimes initially you have attended question number 16 and you have shaded option B and you have written in the box as option B. Then after some time you feel that you have doubt in question number 16, then you want to leave that question or unattempt that question. At that time also you can shade in the last circle. So okay, even if you attend the question, you have shaded and written in the box. If you shade in the last circle, then it will be considered as unattempted question. That is what written here. Okay. So the question, the darkening of bubble with the question number is to be done for unattended question. So if you darken the bubble, then it will be considered as unattended question. I hope you would be somewhat clear now. So please keep in mind. So whatever you write in the rectangular box will be considered as the final answer. And even in the rectangle, even after writing in the rectangular box also, if you want to leave that question or if you want to unattempt the question, then also you can shade in the last bubble, okay, the last circle, then that question will be considered unattempted. So I hope you got some clear idea. Thank you, children.